Today, I'll show you how to put a text filter in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to refine your data visualization skills, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily filter text data to enhance your dashboards. First things first, head over to tableau.com. If you haven't already, log in with your credentials to access your Tableau workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options on your dashboard, but what we want to focus on is the recent section. In this area, you'll find your most recent projects. Select the project you're currently working on or the one you'd like to add a text filter to and give it a click. This action will open your project, allowing you to start making adjustments and improvements. Now that you have your project open, it's time to navigate to the table section. You'll find this on the left side of your screen. This section contains all the data sources you've connected to your Tableau workbook. Here, you'll need to identify the specific table that contains the text data you will want to filter. Once you've found it, select the table and drag it over to the label area. This action effectively links your data source to the visual elements in your dashboard, allowing you to manipulate and filter the text data as needed. As you drag the table to the label, you'll see how Tableau automatically recognizes the data fields and assigns them accordingly. This intuitive feature makes it easier to apply filters and adjust visualizations without needing to dive deep into complex configurations. Remember, dragging the table to the label is essential because it sets the stage for adding your text filter. At this point, you might be wondering why adding a text filter is so beneficial. Text filters in Tableau allow you to narrow down the data displayed in your visualizations based on specific text criteria. For example, if you have a large data set but only want to focus on entries that include a certain keyword or phrase, a text filter is your go-to tool. It helps in refining your data view, making your dashboards more relevant and insightful for your audience. Once the table is in place, you can start configuring your text filter. This is typically done by selecting the filter option from your dashboard's toolbar. You'll then be able to specify the criteria for your text filter, such as the exact text or a pattern you're looking to highlight or exclude. As you apply these criteria, you'll notice the data in your dashboard updating in real time, reflecting the text filter you've just set up. In summary, adding a text filter in Tableau involves a few simple steps. Accessing your project via tableau.com, selecting your recent project, and dragging the relevant table to the label section. This process allows you to focus on the data that matters most, enhancing your ability to communicate insights effectively. I hope this quick tutorial has helped you understand how to add text filters and the impact they can have on your data analysis in Tableau. Happy visualizing!